So this is Street Tom's ZX6R, everyone. Tom's been telling me about this bike lately, telling me how good it is and stuff. So I'm going to be the judge of that today. Here's the catch, but I'm not going to be the one riding it. He will be the one riding it. Little walk around. So Tom's currently running the SC project, as you guys can see. It's extremely loud. So yeah, on top of the SC project exhaust Tom is currently running, we've also got the beautiful tie riding on the side, brought to you by Sigma Customs, ladies and gentlemen. If you're in Brisbane or Gold Coast, shoot us a DM on Instagram to get your design in now. Any last words, suspension? This poor bike is currently holding almost 200 kilos. Oh my lord. Oh shit. Hey, it's another rider. What's up, bro? I should probably have my visor down for this now. It's only a 600cc, bro. I don't think it's. Oh fuck! Holy shit! Oh shit! Hey, it's nothing compared to a 1000, obviously. All right. Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit! It's so different when you're not riding the bike, bro. Yeah, man, it's scary. Holy fuck! Yeah. Oh my lord. Alright. Ooh, S1000. Yeah. Okay, coming through. Oh, too tight, too tight, too tight! Oh! Fuck. This bike actually doesn't sound that bad. Considering you only took off the exhaust, like the muffler, it's still it's yeah, it's yeah. Oh god, the seat's not the worst thing I've ever sat on. Like it's pretty decent. All right, you know, it's quite relaxing being in the back once in a while. You know, hey, don't be doing that. Don't be swerving, bro. Don't. Holy shit. Alright, pretty much today's agenda, everyone. Tom and I need to go get some stuff for Sigma Customs. But on the way there, he's just going to take me for a spin on the 600. See what it's all about. It's another rider. What's up? What is that? Oh, it's an Aprilia. Yeah. No, there's a 660, I think. Yeah. So relaxing, bro. I can see why women tend to enjoy this. Yeah. You know, they kind of like move their hands slowly onto your thighs. They start to give you incredible fucking hand jobs, Tom. Hey, oh, bro. Would you like me to do that for you? Oh my god. Right, you're gonna have to hold on. Nah, it's alright. I don't need to hold on. It's only a 600. Shit! Holy fuck! Oh my lord, bro! Oh days, bro! Oh my days, man! Hey, shit! Hey, yo! Hey! Holy fuck! Oh, this is mental! Oh shit! It's only a 600, bro! It's only a 600! Oh my lord, man. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my god! This is why women live longer than men. No. Don't be doing wheelies, man. Don't be doing wheelies. Don't be doing no wheelies. Holy fuck. But I'll come back. If you pop it up, I'm gonna pull you back on. Oh, the downshifts. Oh my god, I'm about to come. Wait. Oh my god, bro. I don't know how it looks on camera, but fucking so fast in person, bro. God damn, bro. God damn, man. Bro, I'm fucking wearing the engine down so hard. Woo, woo. Holy shit. Oh my lord, bro. It's only a 600, bro. You know? When you listen, I'm gonna tell you something, alright? When you hit the 1000 cc's, then you know what real speed is. Obviously a lot nicer with the sun out, but it's a bit cloudy today. I don't know if it was raining today or not. Yeah, right. Hey, it's a Mazda. Look at these. Oh shit! Oh. But I used to do that type of shit when I was younger, bro. I went from a BMX bike to motorbikes, man. Yeah, I think most riders came from that transition. If it wasn't for BMX bikes, they probably came from dirt bikes at least. Traffic, bro. God damn. It's alright, that's why we have a motorbike. Hey Tom, your abs feel good. Your six-pack feels very nice. Hey yo! Was that a CBR 1000? Pop it up! Pop it up! Pop it up! Hey listen, if he flips the bike, I have nothing to do with it. That has nothing to do with me. Oh! Holy shit! Oh wait! Oh! Good reaction time, goddamn! Holy fuck! Oh my lord! This is so stupid, bro! Holy shit! Oh, he's keeping up! Holy shit! Bro, he's keeping up! He's keeping up, bro! He's keeping up! We have another motorbike ahead of us too. Hey, yo! Pop it up! Pop it up! You fucking singer! Hey, yo! Holy shit! This is some random rider, bro! That's the thing I actually like about the bike community as well. Like, no one here, it's not as toxic as the car community, bro. You can bump into anyone and you have so much respect for the other rider. Yeah. Hi, rider. Hey, fuck you, bro! Didn't even wave back to me. Nah, it's alright. He's gonna keep focused on the road. Alright, come on, wave to me, bro. Wave to me. Hi, rider. Come on, wave. If you don't wave, oh, fuck you. Alright, here, super cheap auto. Gonna get some supplies for Sigma Customs. I'll probably end the video here, to be honest, because like we're probably gonna go home after this anyway. Okay, I'll get off first. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in today's video. Now, I know I haven't posted in a long time and I do apologize for that. I've just been really lazy lately, but we're back in the grind now. Moral of the story, don't underestimate 600s. So big shout out to Street Tom for letting me backpack him today. And yeah, wait, no. I'm backpacking you?
No, I'm backpacking you.
No, I'm backpacking you. Not you backpack me. Wait.
You're my backpacker.
Yeah, but I'm backpacking you. Yeah. Alright, well regardless, I was on the back of his ZX6R today. Super fucking fun bike to ride and be on the back of. So yeah. Holy shit, dude, it's a Panigale V4R. Sheesh! Hey? It's a V4R.
What?
It's a V4R.
It's a monster.
It's a V4R.
V4.
Yeah. I'm taking a piss out. I might just. Do you know where I can find some acetone?
Just around the corner.
Thanks, bro. Hey, Tom, it's over here.